Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on 3 new colors to choose from blue, green, orange. This is the blue with the same cutting edge technology, sleek design and unparalleled performance. Let's have a look. I'm going to break the seal, a great moment to open your smartphone. The SIM extraction tool, included we have one cable, Type-C to Type-C, and with a cable length 1 meter, thin cable on a black color. And of course only the smartphone. Some papers. No power adapter to charge your smartphone. The titanium blue finish is sophisticated and gives your device a premium and distinctive look, combining aesthetics with durability thanks to the titanium construction, making it an outstanding choice for those who value both power and style. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay stylish, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next video.